go.
Hey guys, welcome back to Powered by 8 Racing YouTube channel. It's been a little bit since we've talked or seen each other. It was Homestead. I didn't show the footage from the NASA event that weekend. People that follow the Facebook groups and stuff know why. We had some protests against our power bands. It's been corrected, but I don't really want to address it. It's squashed. It's done. So we're just going to move on from here and show the rest of the season after that. Homestead was a fun weekend. I had a blast. Learned a lot more about the car. As we all know, we're still learning it. But, you know, that's where we are. So not a lot has happened since then. Did an oil change. Went back to the dyno. Got things ready for Sebring coming up Easter weekend. So I think we have it a Friday, Saturday event at Sebring. But kind of just been rearranging the shop a little bit, getting things done so that I have a little bit better of an area to start fabricating the hood. As you can see here, I've got the splitter's just kind of resting on here. This is just so I can get final weights of the car. We had to change our weight. We're going to be at 3,260 pounds now. That's just how the tune turned out, and that's what we'll need to do. I've got some new tires, so we got to go to the Hoosier A7s. So we've got a couple sets of those ready to go. We've got those ones. We've got some wets here. We've got some more Hoosiers there. Those are the S8s that came off the car. We won't be running those. We can't really run those because of the penalty that we get for TT3 with those. And got a new tire machine. My old tire machine is there. It stopped stopping. The brake isn't working. So picked up a used machine over here. Guy came and fixed it. We've got to get that over here. So the shop used to have the tire machines right here, and that toolbox used to be right here, and that toolbox used to be back there, and that used to be over. Anyways, rearranged everything. It'll be a little bit better of a flow. I don't know how to weld, but I got a welding stuff, and so that's kind of going on. I got some hub stand Pro Pluses in. I've got to learn about those, so we'll do an episode on those, and that'll be a whole series of alignments. So that's kind of what I've got coming up. But I just wanted to catch up with you guys because, like I said, it's been a little bit since we've talked, and I'm still here just trucking through things and getting things prepared. But yeah, that's pretty much all we got going on right now. I don't really have much to show you guys, and that's why I've kind of been absent. I don't want to just do videos like this over and over again of, hey, how are you doing? Hey, how you doing? Hey, how you doing? But yeah, that's where we are. I don't know what else to say. We will get things back together, get the car on the trailer for Sebring, and I'm pretty confident we'll have a good showing there. So yeah, that's pretty much all we got going on. Still got the cool suit. Haven't ordered that yet. I've got some other things to buy, and so I want to get rid of it so badly. And I'm thinking by the time summer gets around here, I'm going to be so fed up and tired of it that I'll have replaced it. So I'm sure that's going to be coming up here soon. I keep ragging on it. Oh, I did order. I got a new license plate. I've got a new steering wheel configuration coming. So we'll have try and move all my switches to here, not all of them, but like my warning light and my page light. Try to get my what's it called? Toggles, the Bosch toggles and the traction control toggle up on the wheel, so I don't have to reach for those. So that'll be pretty nice, and then we'll do an episode on that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to say hi, that I'm still alive. Didn't want you to lose interest in me. Stay subscribed. We got some stuff coming. Promise we got some cool stuff coming. Did have a scare with the motor. We thought that we had heard it a little bit. I think we got that figured out and what was going on with that. We found some stuff in the oil filter, but we think it was left over from the oil pump. We don't know if we got it out because we cleaned it out, ran the car some more, and it didn't come back. So either we've destroyed it enough to where it's not destroying itself anymore, or that was just the residual that we missed when I thought I cleaned it out and I didn't get it all out. So let's see. It's pretty much all that's been happening. I will see you guys at Sebring in a couple weeks if I don't get a video dropped before then on something. And that's pretty much it. Short and stuttery. But hey, be sure to subscribe or stay subscribed and click that bell notification thingy and comment on the videos. And it'll help the channel grow. And we will see you at Sebring.
Powered by Ocho.